you the comb trick that the girls like to do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Unit, I want to say thank you to Nadula Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. This wig on my head really just knocked me on my bottom. Did I say bottom? Am I a kindergarten teacher? It knocked me on my caboose, girl. This is a 5x5 kinky straight closure wig with HD lace. It's 24 inches long and 180% density, so it's absolutely stunning. Girl, look at this length. Baby, look at all this length and all this hair. The great thing about this closure wig is that it is pre-plucked. The knots are not bleached, but the hairline is pre-plucked. I plucked it a little bit more, just like a couple of strands. You know, I got pluckitis, or I just got a pluck. But when you pop the hood on the wig, you can see that this wig is able to be worn glueless because it comes equipped with 3 combs, adjustable straps in the back, and an additional piano key elastic band that you can wear, so you can wear this wig completely glueless, girl. Look, listen. This is a way for you to cheat the game, girl. There's no way my natural hair is gonna look like this in real life, so I gotta fake it. Fake it till you make it, fool. You see that? Put a little swirl of a little baby hair right there to fool the girls, okay?